All right, man. We're back again in Billy's garage.
We're back playing around with the 5-liter again. Haven't exactly had things go our way so far. I had a couple mistakes with the intake install. Had an antifreeze leak, lost an oil pump drive shaft into the oil pan, started the engine, did some damage to the oil pan, but we've done some checks in the bottom end, checked the crankshaft end play, pulled a couple bearing caps off and inspected those. Everything's looking good. So we got our new oil pump. Pop this sucker open, make sure it even looks like the right one. It's supposed to be a high output oil pump. 25% more pressure. Oh, and my dad hooked us up with these very nice gauges that have been sitting in his garage for some time.
Nice.
So we will actually know right away if we have some oil pressures this time. Got the melling here. And there is another shaft. They always say to replace it.
Right.
That's where you're going?
Yeah, they always say replace it, and we were just going to put the shaft in and call it a day, and then Billy did some quick research and found out it was probably better just to buy the whole thing.
Now we got two shafts, so
yeah,
if we twist one up again, then got a backup. Got our gaskets with it, everything looks good. So we'll get that unit hooked up. So far, everything's looking good. There we go. Oh! I hope my bolts are solid back here. Oh!
Where'd all this go from? How much? I thought we emptied this thing.
Oh my god!
You have some more rags.
Oh my god!
If only you had a pan. Wow.
Well, it's empty. We're gonna find the low spots of the garage. Just tip it over. Put the cardboard on and I'll soak it up.
Perfect. Just hide it.
I feel like Adam Sandler and Big Daddy when he puts the newspaper on Buddy's bed after he lets himself. Okay, well that was an awesome idea, Wayne. Should be nothing in there. Now we know all the antifreeze is out of the block. We should not find any antifreeze in the pan. That pan has not been that clean in a very long time, I'll tell you what. There's like 4 pounds of sludge in that thing before we started. Apply a zigzag bead of extra sealer on joint of front cover and cylinder blocks. That's the joint we were looking for. I don't know. We're just gonna guess and send it. I have to screw this screw out that I put in there because it's now part of it. Pray for the best. What do you think I should do? Should I go around the whole thing?
Seems excessive, but
I don't know. I'm asking. Hopefully we got enough sealer to do the intake and the oil pan. Stuff's hard to get. Hard.
what's so funny?
Great content. Great content. Should I just squeeze this?
Point it towards your eye and squeeze really hard.
What is going on here? Oh my gosh. Need stronger hands. No, there's something in there. There's something in there. Maybe I should just open up the hole. It's just not working. Hold on. Let's take this off. There's the problem.
What in the world? God,
Little turdski in there. Couldn't get that out. All gone. Oh! All over my torque wrench. Okay, now that we've managed to get RTV on everything except for the engine. Okay, we should have some flow now. Restart video now. Alright, so we're going to put some RTV on here. We'll see if we got some... oh, product is flowing. I think I'm just going to do a little bit of action all the way around. Because, why not?
Why not?
We really don't want this thing leaking. We've already done everything that we've done 3 times. So I'm not going to load it all up. I'm just going to put a little bit everywhere. Make it impossible for the next sucker who's going to take this thing off. I feel like we could have put just a ton on and then Just not even used gaskets, you know? Oh man, she just, oh! A little bit of an air void in there. And maybe around here because corners are always the problem, you know? We'll really put a nice bead on this damage up at the front. Let's see if we can't thread some studs in there.
4-piece gasket set going in.
God, that seems like it really just snug fit in there. I think I like it. Seems to be seated.
Do you feel it press in a bit, or?
Sort of, kind of, not really. Feel like it should be pressing in more. Studs are in my way. Should have taken this cover off the back here. Everything's in the way. Small garage problems.
A little hard to press in by hand.
It seems like it. Just can't get it to seat down in the corner, which is like the most critical part.
Every once in a while at SN Garage, we hit a snafu.
Once in a while? You mean every once in a while things go right?
What is going on with that thing?
Honestly, I'm not sure. Sort of feels close, but at the same time, it feels wrong, you know? I don't know. I've now worn all the RTV off and onto myself. Always wear gloves when you're working with RTV.
Good idea.
Not good for your skin. Okay. I don't know what the... I gotta tell you, man, there's some friggin' stupid gasket designs on this thing. So this one has the dipstick cutout.
Notch right here.
You're correct. Old cork gaskets. You ready for this?
Yep.
There's my studs. Okay, we're on the studs.
Yep.
Oh god.
There.
Alright, man. The corksters, they're kind of corky.
Sorry, what was that?
You can't repeat that, sorry. Legal reasons. Semi-corky gaskets. Oh, that does not feel like it threads in nice. Probably should have cleaned these bolts up a little better. Yeah, you can't even see all the oil pan damage from the outside. A little bump, some character building.
What was the torque spec on the corners?
We went for 10 pounds. Okay. We're done on the bottom end. Get this sucker flip back over, see if we can dump another 4 gallons of antifreeze in here. Soon enough we'll have a pool in the garage. Here comes more stuff.
Perfect.
Antifreeze pool, we can go for a little dip. 2 idiots attempt to flip over motor.
Alright, man, as we wrap up another episode of SN Garage.
Yeah, it was a pretty successful day. We don't really know until we get everything back in. Basically, yeah, we cleaned up the oil pan, cleaned up the bottom of the engine, flipped it over, absolutely flooded my garage with antifreeze. It was worth it because we were able to see what we were doing under there. Got everything cleaned up really nice. We got the new oil pump installed. New gaskets everywhere on this thing. I would be very surprised if there's any leakage going on. Thanks for watching SN Garage. Tune in, make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks. See you later.